Is Roblox not opening on your Android, crashing on launch, or stuck on the loading screen? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear Roblox cache. First, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management. Then search for Roblox and tap it. Scroll down and select Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data. After that, check if the issue is solved. Solution 2. Change the graphics driver. Once, open the Settings app on your device, then scroll to the bottom. Here you will find the developer option. Now here, tap on Developer Options, scroll down, find the graphic drive or search for it, then tap on it. After that, scroll down and find Roblox and tap it. Then choose System Graphics Driver. Solution 3. Update the Roblox app. This error usually means Roblox needs an update. Open the Google Play Store on your device, then search for Roblox and tap Update if available. Wait for the update to finish. Now open Roblox and check if the problem is solved. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and let me know in the comments if the issue persists. Thanks for watching.